sayang yung years, like, since bata ka pa, take advantage of it, like, being in this generation, born in this generation. You should take advantage of it so that in the future it will be handy for you.
First time someone gave me a painting. The classmate natin gave me a painting. Wow! Painting. First time. First time I gave it.
Wow!
Thank you. First time. Thank you. Jazz.
Yes.
Okay, let's do this.
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Moving up today.
No!
Yeah, sige, pwede ka back na lang. Pwede ka back. Ayan na.
I'm very shy.
Okay lang. I'm shy also. Ayun na. Quick question na. Oh, we'll take a bill na. Okay, game. What's her name?
Aina Rose Laki.
How old are you?
I'm 14 years old.
14 years old. Where do you study? Are you studying? Yes? No?
Yes, public school.
Public school. So, why are you investing in the stock market? Or why are you wanting to learn about stocks?
My sister wanted to influence me to know more about the stocks.
Who's your sister?
Mitz Laki. Have you heard?
It's Lucky. I
She
think
was
so.
here
Oh, she attended before.
last
Oh. So she's your sister. Malayo siya.
She's actually 13 years old.
Oo nga. Oh, I remember Mitz. Oh, so she wants you to learn. Are you enjoying naman? Are you enjoying?
Yes, as a beginner.
As a
yes.
beginner? Okay.
I wanted to learn more.
Sige, so far, what you attended technical analysis. As for a 14-year-old student, nakakasunod ka naman sa lesson.
Yes.
Okay. What's your favorite technical analysis parameter so far? Yung sa lahat ng lesson natin, ano yung pinag-support? Resistance, moving average, trend lines.
The easiest way. Like
Sa'yo, what's your favorite? What's your favorite?
The moving average.
Moving average. Bakit moving average?
It's easier.
Easier to understand.
Yes.
So are you going to trade already?
Depends.
Depends
I
on...
need to widen my
Yeah, ay, galing mo, galing. Pero tignan mo lamang mo, 14 years old ka. Majority of the people, 20, 30, 40 years old are not yet investing. You at 14, are doing very, very good. Kasi not everyone can invest it. Ako nga, kung nalaman ko ito ng 14 ako, I would have started earlier. Is your ate giving you money also?
She's planning.
Oh, so what we do is, ayun na, bumubusin pero pang boyfriend, boyfriend, gastos lang yan. Oh, you invest it. By the time you hit 30, 16 years of investing. Super laki yun. Tapos every time you have baon, yung mga Christmas gifts, invest mo lang yun. You will look at this video 20 years from now and you will see that, it's right there. If you start early, the money that you put in will grow for you. Anong advice mo na lang for people your age? Do you want them to also invest in the stock market?
Yes.
Why? This is your moment.
Because like, sayang yung years, like, since bata ka pa, take advantage of it, like, being in this generation, born in this generation. You should take advantage of it so that in the future it will be handy for you.
Do you have when do you want to retire? Retirement na agad, 14-year-old, pero do you have a target?
I was also thinking of that. My sister and I talk about as much as possible. We want to retire as early so we can like enjoy life.
Okay. Do you have a target? Do you want to be a millionaire at a certain age? I want to get my first million at this age.
Maybe around like 30s.
30 say 14 ka, makukuha mo kagad yun. 14, mabilis lang yan.
It depends.
Okay. So, if you will buy a stock, what's your favorite stock so far? Company you want to buy?
Not sure.
Not yet. So, kunyari, your ate will give you money. What's the first stock that comes to your mind?
The good stuff, like the magandang company.
Okay. So, I guess that's it. If you have 100,000 pesos right now, binigay sa'yo, what will you do with it?
I will try to invest.
Invest? Where? Stocks, banks?
buy stocks with it.
Buy stock. Okay. Galing. So I guess that's it. I'm just like, this is just very encouraging, no? Bihira ka makita ng 14 years old. No? 14 ako, I was buying basketball cards at that time. And you don't see a lot of people who are young who are investing. So, no, this is an inspiration. Sino ka mo, ate mo?
My sister inspired.
No, the one that's here with you.
Ah, the best
Friend
friend.
of the sister.
Yes.
Yun. So,
Company.
company details. But that's a nice, no, that you're seeing the next generation of Filipinos invest. When she hits 30, I know your portfolio will be very, very well. So you'll watch this video and you will see it 10, 20 years from now that, your money will be bigger because you started early. So, yeah. Diba? Bye-bye. Hello. Asan na yung classmates mo?
Busy pa.
Busy.
Busy pa.
So, yun. First time. Kumain ka? Okay lang, nag-video lang kami. Nag-video ako ng classmate natin.
Wow!
Galingan.
Nice! Paper.
Thank you.
Live po
Oh, saan?
sa Malaysia.
Oh, so nag-Malaysia ka?
Ako yung nag-message sa inyo nung last time na kung meron sa inyo.
Oh.
Sabi niya wala pa.
So, buong lang for years?
Yeah, tsaka sa freedom kami for wedding.
Last week din ka? So, you stay for 1 week?
Yeah.
Okay. Enjoy. I might be there for December. Pero may stock smarts eh. May nag-invite daw sa akin. Mga 1 o'clock na. Pero ano pa, November yata.
Sa Dagatari po,
Ay, nandun ka
namit ko lang last year.
Ikaw yun naman sa Dag. Punta ka rin doon. Ayun, Dagatari. Pero yung Dagatari parang conference ata eh. So, parang 1 week. Sorry. 1 whole day, different speakers. Isa lang ang speaker. So, gano'n yung galing. So, saan yun, diba? Anong mall yun? Pero, iba kaya tayo din yung event mo. Thank you, thank you for coming. Nice to meet you. Salamat. Puro ito. Hindi ko alam ano ito. Hoy, let's do this, Mara.
What?